If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Solana video update. Okay, my technical target, which is $9.07, is met. And now, did you know that ever since February 2021, if I go into the weekly, Solana came to $9 and only one digit for the very first time in maybe 2 years actually now. So back when the bull run was happening for Solana, we had this level here. That right over there, that's when you were in the $9 department. And look how after a long time you came down to that particular level. So one target is met. I gave you this target a long time ago. I was talking about the pennants and whatnot. And don't forget, we have a target to 4.88. Everything is coming into play a bit by bit. And how did I tell you how is this target coming in by? And this is the chart that I previously left you with. I never actually try to change the charts. I told you, if you're going to lose the golden ratio right over here, 12.36, then you're looking. And yes, there was a flag here, there was a $10, and I told you about $9.07 as well. All of these two technical targets have been met. So thank you, Bitcoin. Thank you for being bearish. Solana, you have a lot of work to do. Now at this zone, we could still have some potential sideways movement, make another pennant, try to drop down. I don't know. You could even have a little bit of a pumps before going down there. I don't know. How you go there is going to be a very, very big journey. It could be straight down. It could be ups and downs like this until you go down. It's hard to paint the picture right over there of the behavior of the way you're going to move to the downside. But yes, we're still looking for $4.8 right now. And that's all. I'm just going to leave you with this chart once again. So 9.07 touched. That's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.